Hi guys!
Hey guys, long time no see. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to check out the Abisko Trekking Tights. Let's go. The Abisko Trekking Tights are a little bit different compared to normal running tights. They're reinforced here in the knees and on the behind up here as well. So when you sit down, you don't wear and tear on the material, and it will also keep you warmer if you want to sit down or do work on your knees or sitting down. You also have a big stretch pocket here with easy access. On the left leg, another pocket with zippers, so you can keep your more important items there and securely lock them up. If we move on up here a little bit, you see that small detail, but yet so important because you can store your gloves or other things here in this loop. So it's a great feature, really like that one. And on top you also have another smaller pocket for car keys and things that you want to keep close to your body and know where they are. Last but not least, you have the drawstring here as well, if you want to tighten the pants up. So what do you think about them?
I like them since they are just as comfortable as normal running tights, but they are warmer, they have all of the needed pockets, and they are reinforced on the knees and on the behind.
Alright, that's it for us guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, is she coming? Yeah, she coming. If you're new here, we do reviews, we do the occasional adventure. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, so if you want to talk to us there, just find me, the link is here. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next year. More adventures coming. Albert is in Mexico, so he couldn't join us for this one. But he will be back shortly, hopefully. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.